Okay, go.
After being rejected by the DeLacy family, Frankenstein flees and becomes more bitter. And after being shot by a man for rescuing his daughter, he becomes angry and finds young little William Frankenstein frolicking in the woods.
Gender confusion again.
Where'd you go?
They practice this really hard.
Well, I just keep reading, like, makeup and stuff.
Craig, I can hear you.
The thoughts that Frankenstein is going through his mind right now are thoughts of rage, bitterness, murderous intent. What will happen with young Frankenstein?
What are you doing? Who are you?
You're so gross! No! Frankenstein! Oh no! Dead.
Frankenstein and the Beast then meet in a college in which intense negotiations begin, and the Beast offers his one plea for happiness.
Foul beast! Why are you here?
I want to mate. I'm tired of walking the earth alone. Make me a female version of myself.
Ugh. What? Why would I want to do that?
Because if you don't,
All the maliciousness and horrible deaths that you bestowed upon my family, why would I want to create another one of you to harm the earth?
because if you don't, I will be with you on your wedding night.
Okay, okay, I'll do it. All right,
Alright, good.
perfect.
I'll be watching.
Okay, you do that.
I'll make sure you do it.
All right.
Get out of here. Start working. Get out of here.
I will. Well.